Hi everyone, right, I'm back for part 2. Now what I've done, and I didn't do it on camera because you saw me put these on yesterday, but I've now added some pearl. You can't have an Elizabethan decoration without having pearl, so that's what I've added on. Just put them onto chain, and I've put them with some little crystals here. So I've got that so far. I've put the cameo on, and I did put that on last night. So it's just one of those rings that you can glue together or use elastic or whatever you want to do with it. And then I put a little diamante on top. Now what I have got are these, and I've taken off the 2 bottom sections because I don't like that like that. I did colour some using the Cosmic Shimmer. I did colour some white roses. I had these white roses. And we do have those in the shop as well. And I was going to put them on, but then I thought, well, they didn't really have flowers in Elizabethan time. It was jewellery, it was decoration, wasn't it? So I didn't like that being as plain as that. So what I'm thinking of doing is just adding those. And it's more ornate, I can show you. And more fitting with the style of the Elizabethan. You know, it's like the fleur-de-lis, isn't it? So I think what I'm going to do is to do that. And I don't know whether to take this off, to be honest. I could put a flower there and a flower there instead of that. No, I don't like it with the flowers, so hey. But I don't know. It's missing bling because they had bling, a lot of it as well. Oh, sorry, not that. That's chain, you silly wally. Yeah, oh, wait a minute. Now, what's this? That's the right colour. Bling. Just oddments off necklaces. And you put a piece on there. Now, right, okay, that's more like what I'm after. So let me just cut this. Let me just leave that out. I'm not going to do anything with it at the moment because I want bling bling, I think. So if I attach those onto there, oh, I made some of these, didn't I? But I made them out of different bling. So I could have put those on like there. Made a really ornate one, but hang on. I didn't have 2 the same, I don't think. Or did I? No. Aha, I've just thought of something because I've just seen something I have that I can use. Wait a minute. Let me find one more. They're Elizabethan, look. Oh, yes. I do have more of those. We have actually sold them in the shop. I don't know whether I should take that off now. Let me see if I can find one more. I had loads of them at one point, and it's like I use them up all the time. Here we are. There we go. Now, I might change the cameo because I'm not keen on the cameo. That's what's putting me off. Let me just see if I can get that off, and I might not be able to do that. Oh, I can. Right, okay, okay. I'm going to have to get rid of that. That's it. Righty-ho. So, let's have a look. Just pop this on the table, like on the deck like that. So if I have that there, and then I have that one there. See, there it was bling bling for them, wasn't it? When you put that there. And that there. Don't like that now. I don't like that. So now I've got to figure out what I... do you know what? Hang on. These are just easy to take apart. If I put that on there first and then that. See, I like that. Blingy, isn't it? Do I need that? I'm liking these because they are Elizabethan, Victorian, or whatever you want to call them. I don't know. I do like that. Decisions, decisions, decisions. Okie dokie. Let me just see. Right, I'm just going to take those off. I don't know if I want to do that. I don't know if I need that on there. Or do I need something? But this was their kind of stylish. First of all, let me just get these on. And we'll see how we go on from there. So, I'm just going to put these on here like this. Now, this will be glued onto a backing. So, I know it'll be fine. I'm going to level that up. Let's just do this one as well. Because I'm using hot glue on this, where I've used the glossy accents on the other one, I can undo them. I can undo both, actually. That needs to go on there like that. That's on there. Move that over. Don't slip, mate. Okay, and then we need to do that. Do it so that the pearls are like an across. Once it's on the backing, I can make it that it's all glued on from the back side of it. Yeah, this is what I don't want. I don't like this bit. I'm wondering if I should take that out. Take the middle bit out, and I like that, you see. I like the dangle. Right, I've got to figure out. Let me just see what this is. No. Doesn't look right with the flowers at all. I have to put the bloody cameo back on now. Let me see. I'm going to put that on. I'm going to put this back on. Well, this one wasn't on in the first place, but you know what I mean. Oh, come on, glue gun. Right, let's just have a look at this. Move that out of the way. Just to pop that on there. Right, get that centered. Leave all the chain out of the way. And I might have to do that and cover that one up. Now, I do like that. Oh, I knew I'd get there in the end. It was too low down. Oops. That's it. It was really too low down. And I wasn't sure about it. That needs to be spun a little bit. That's that. I'll glue that in. That's coming off that one, but I need to glue it in properly. Right, hang on. Pull that down and stretch it back up. And it needs somehow a bling. I don't think it needs... No. No, it's... let me just see. It's all trial and error. Oh, see. No. Yeah, it's all trial and error. Let me just see what we've got here. No. No. What about just a plain pearl? Oh, I've just done it. That's it. That's it. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. That's it. And that is my Elizabethan. Now I've just got to glue this in a little bit down there. Oops. Nearly cocked that up there, mate. Just going to pop that back on the deck. Push that down. That's going to seal that in. Yes, I prefer that. And I like what I've done. I like how it's turned out. An Elizabethan one. They used to wear lavish jewels, didn't they? And I wanted to create something very similar. I like that. I like what I've done with it, to be honest. And that's going to look fab. And now all I've got to do is to sort the back out, which is to put a little brown... I've got a black one here. I've got a black one here somewhere. Let me have a look. Just something on the back. This'll do, basically. So I need to do that length. Let's get rid of that. I do that, and then just cut that like that. Something like that will do. Just need to chop that down a little bit. It's just to hold it all together, that's all, nothing more, nothing less. I'm just going to cut the shape now I've got that. That's it, just to hold the back of it. There we go. That's it. Turn that over and press that down. And then take that excess off, that bit. There we go. That was from the other glue that I use, so I don't need that on there. That's better. So, now, I want this to be worn as a pin, to be honest. And I think that'll do nicely. So just pop that on there like that. Push that down. I think we've got that. Yeah, that's on. And there you go. My It's gorgeous, actually. I love that. I love the way everything hangs. You know. Go back there, mate. Yeah. They're really pretty. Let's undo these because they're a bit caught up. I think that's it, yeah. What I call an Elizabethan brooch. That's gorgeous, that, actually. And I'm not going to use it, but I'm going to put it up for sale. So, if anybody's interested, you'll find it on the shop. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now. That's it. I'm just going to... Told you I could edit all that out. See you all soon. Bye-bye for now.